Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Panda Touch Pro FF AWM for use, plug in a USB-C cable and charge to at least 50% so the first calibration won't fail. Once charged, insert the SIM or SD card in the correct orientation and secure it. Now press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. The device will show the boot logo. If it asks for language or region, choose correctly, because that setting influences keyboard layout and time zone behavior. Once the device boots, follow the configuration wizard step by step. Select language, connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and grant necessary permissions. You then calibrate the touchscreen by tapping targets as prompted. This ensures accuracy for AWM features. Make sure to adjust sensitivity if the option appears. After calibration, use the built-in store or side-loaded installer to add the firmware updater, the AWM manager, and any security patches. Updating now. Finish by running the final firmware update and then reboot the Panda Touch Pro FF AWM so all changes apply cleanly. You should test the AWM features, try gestures, profile switching, and automated routines to confirm responsiveness. If any feature lags or fails, clear cache and retry. If issues persist, perform a factory settings reset. Make sure to capture logs and note exact steps that fail before contacting support, because clear reproduction speeds resolution and helps technicians identify firmware versus hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.